What's up, guys? I'm just over here chatting with my new bestie, my Magic Chef air fryer. I love this thing. We've only been friends for a few weeks and I am obsessed, right? You like me too? Give me some of that. Yeah. I love this thing. I partnered with my friends over at New Air. They sent me this air fryer to review, and today I'm gonna be sharing some delicious recipes and just share my obsession with this thing. I seriously believe that every busy mom, girl, person in the world needs to have one of these. I don't even think I'm gonna use my stove or oven anymore because you can cook everything so fast, so easy in this thing. I'm seriously like obsessed, officially. I got it just a few weeks ago and this is all I've used. This is all I've used. Everything cooks so fast, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you got like a full dinner on. The recipes I'm sharing with you today have been some of my favorite. I could eat them all the time and they turn out perfectly in this thing. So I'm gonna have a coupon code in the description box below for 20% off. Make sure and check them out and get you one, boo. So this is the 5-quart one. This is pretty much the family size. This machine only has two functions, the temperature and the timer. That's it. This is the basket. That's where you would put your food, and then to remove it, to clean it, you're just gonna go like that. See, it's super easy. There is, if you cook like chicken wings, burgers, the excess grease will fall there. You literally wipe it with a paper towel and then you just pop this back in. It's probably the easiest cleanup of any like little cooking gadget that exists. In your box, you're gonna get your instruction manual, super easy to learn how to set up and start using, and then this delicious recipe book, which is where I got some of the recipes that I will be sharing with you. So I put them to use right away. This right here, I saw that and I'm like, I've got to make that. It looked quick, easy, it's so delicious. I'll be sharing it with you today. But all of these things can be made in, I'm telling you, under 15-20 minutes. That's why I love this thing.
For this recipe, you're only going to need a few simple ingredients. Some marinara sauce of your choice. I'm using the one from Trader Joe's, the tomato basil, 2 eggs, mozzarella cheese, salt and pepper. And then you're also going to need a ceramic or a oven-safe bowl to put into the air fryer. So I'm going to start off by putting a cup of the marinara sauce, cracking the 2 eggs, seasoning them, and popping them into the air fryer at 360 degrees. I like to cook the eggs first for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then I take it out once the eggs are cooked and I'll add the cheese. I just feel that it cooks the egg a little better. I tried to do it all together and the egg just didn't cook fast enough. Then you're gonna pop it back in at the 360 degrees again for another 5 to 7 minutes, depending on how bubbly and melty you want your cheese. So it looks perfect to me. Then make sure and use an oven-safe glove to remove the bowl from the air fryer. And once it's done and it's cooled off a bit, top it with some fresh basil, just like that, and enjoy. Doesn't it look delicious? All right, next I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious grilled cheese in the air fryer. Right now I'm just using this organic multigrain oat bread from Trader Joe's. I have a slice of Munster, a slice of sharp cheddar. I'm just gonna close those up just to give a little variety in the flavor. And then I'm gonna get a little bit of butter and spread it over the top. You could do butter or olive oil. And then we're gonna set it at 360 for 8 minutes. That easy. And they are ready. Look at these crispy sandwiches. I probably would have taken it out about a minute earlier. It does look a little crispy. Let's cut these open and see that ooey gooey cheese. Look at this. Ooh, look at that ooey gooey cheese. Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Now our last and final recipe is chicken wings, my absolute favorite thing to eat. All you're gonna need is some chicken wings and this lemon pepper seasoning. I love the Badia brand. I think it tastes the best. You're gonna get a bowl, and I recommend having your wings defrost a little bit. You can make them frozen, but they tend to cook a little better in the air fryer. And of course, we had to set the tone for our day. Wings are life. and you want to go ahead and add them to the air fryer. Try not to crowd them. If you want them really crispy, give a little bit of space in between them so they can get nice and crispy. Now they are done. These look amazing. It looks like I deep fried them. The color, the texture, they're nice and crispy, so delicious. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed these recipes. If you want to check out the Magic Chef Air Fryer, I'll have a link in the description box for you to purchase it and use my code to save 20%. Bye-bye.